Good afternoon. I still hear people saying that COVID-19 isn't real, that it's just another cold, or that it's a conspiracy. The bottom line is that COVID-19 is real, and it is worse than a typical cold. This not real virus is overwhelming our hospitals. Right now, it's taking up 1 out of every 4 beds that's occupied in the hospitals across our state. This just another cold is putting hundreds of people in the ICU and on ventilators. It's estimated that influenza, causes between 12,000 and 61,000 deaths annually in the U.S. But in this year alone, we have more than 246,000 deaths that are attributable to COVID-19. We have to call out the untruths. We have to speak truth. COVID-19 is very real, and it has been very deadly for so many. Since yesterday, we've received reports of 140 additional brothers and sisters and co-workers and grandparents who have lost their lives to this not real virus, for a total of over 11,000 lives lost. Today, we are reporting 8,922 new cases for a total of 606,771 total cases. Overnight, 5,953 individuals were in the hospital with this not real virus. 1,146 of those were in the ICU and 547 were on ventilators. I'm also hearing people say that it's only older people or those with health conditions who are dying from the virus. Well, it is true that people who are older and people who have comorbidities are at higher risk, but I will tell you that of the 140 new reports of deaths that we've gotten, 2 of them were in their 30s, 3 were in their 40s, 9 were in their 50s. The populations at greater risk are our elderly, but I believe that the death of a 90-year-old or a 50-year-old or a 20-year-old all matter. If people want to bury their heads in the sand and pretend that this virus doesn't exist or it's not that bad, I guess they're free to do so. What you should not be able to do is risk the health of other individuals and everyone that you come in contact with because you won't wear a mask, or because you won't stop hosting or going to events and gatherings, or because you won't socially distance. You don't have the right to expose another person to a potentially deadly virus. So even if you can't see how real this virus truly is, can we at least agree to be respectful of others and wear a mask and keep our distance? Everyone's actions affect others. And remember, if you really want to give thanks this Thanksgiving, give the gift of life and not put someone's life in danger.